Do you keep your partner up at night with your snoring? One option to reduce doing so is the Solea laser. With the Solea laser, we are able to reduce your snoring by 67% with just a couple appointments in our office. Dr. Alexander Ash is a cosmetic and laser dental specialist here in Los Angeles who utilizes the Solea laser to not only perform treatment on patients such as fillings, crowns, root canals, but as well is able to use it on the soft palate to reduce someone's snoring. Come visit Dr. Alexander Ash today and book your appointment now.